Welcome back to another DJI Neo video, guys. Now, there may not be any flying in this because I've just received an accessory for this that you guys have been asking for from day one of showing it. Unfortunately, the weather outside isn't looking great at the minute. If I can get out and get some filming done with these, then I will do. If not, I'm just going to put out a really quick sort of first look video showing you guys that these are now available, where to get them from, and you know, why you might want them. Now, full disclosure time on the table. Freewell contacted me at the beginning of this week and said, would you like us to send you our newest ND filters for the Neo 2? And since I use Freewell filters anyway, I said, yeah, absolutely, why not? Any links down below will be affiliate links. They won't cost you any extra, but they will show Freewell that we might be worth working with again in the future. So if you are interested in picking them up, please do consider using those links. Okay, like I say, we may not get a huge amount of flying done in this video. So let's have a look at actually what's available first of all. So there's a few different packs available. You've got the bright day pack, you've got the standard pack, and you've got the everyday pack. So the everyday pack is your CPL, your UV, and your mist filters. So they're going to be, generally speaking, for the sort of more dull days. Your standard pack includes your ND8, ND16, and ND32. Again, we'll sort of go into why you'd use them. And then the bright day pack includes an ND8 polarized, an ND16 polarized, and an ND32 polarized. Polarized filter will help with the reflections on things like water, etc., and will generally look a lot better than a standard one. Let's open one of these boxes and take a look at the quality of the glass. Now, they do come with a carry case like this, and they come in a box, and it shows you how to install them onto your Neo. And you've also got, onto your Neo 2, sorry, and you've also got something I needed the other day, a lens wipe cloth as well, to keep them nice and clean, because you don't want footage that looks all smeary and like you've rubbed butter on your lens like I did the other day. So let's open this and have a look. So these are going to be your filters, and we're going to take a closer look at them with a longer lens shortly, but this is just to give you a bit of an overview in the box. So you've got your ND8, ND16 and ND32. Generally speaking, your ND8 is for the majority of winter days where it's a bit cloudy, a bit overcast. ND16 is where you might want something because it's a little bit brighter, and ND32 is where you want when it's a really bright sunny day. And it's just a case of setting your camera up as it needs to be set up and then just choosing which one fits your use case the best. To install them, you have this little adapter, and on the back of this little adapter there is double-sided sticky tape. You stick that to the outside of the camera there, and then these are magnetic and they just clip in, and that will hold it onto your camera like that. Let me set it up and I'll be back with you in a second. And you do get a couple of those adapters in the box as well, but we've put one on, and then it's just a case of, that's it, it's done, and that won't come off until you then decide to pull it off, and then you can just replace it with another one. Simple as that. Now, if the weather's allowed, I'm going to cut to some flight footage now with these on. If the weather hasn't allowed, I'll cut to some macro video close up, having a look at the quality of the glass. How's that sound? If, however, I'm not able to fly in this video, because the way I'm recording it, I'm not going to know until I edit it. If I'm not able to fly in this video, please don't worry, because I will fly them at some point as soon as the weather allows. Okay, let's find out. There you have it. They are the Freewell DJI Neo 2 ND filter packs. There's 3 different ones available. There'll be more, no doubt, as time goes on as well. But if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you're in the market for some ND filters for your brand new DJI Neo 2, there isn't a huge amount of options out there, so you might want to consider this. Like I say, the link down below is an affiliate link, and it will help support the channel if you're in the market for some and you fancy grabbing them. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments down below. But until next time, peace out. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most, so watch it and let me know if they're right.